you doing, buddy? Why are you gonna learn, buddy? Are you gonna learn, big boy? I hope so, dude. You know, Brody, how you doing, buddy? Brown, Lucy, hi, good Lulu. Hey, Brody, Odie. Good boy, Brown, buddy. Good boy, bud. Hey, puppies. Hi, yeah, they just went. Whoa, sorry, buddy. Tearing through up in there. Man, you talk about some wild child, man. Damn. I know, you guys gotta get your energy out. I know, dudes. Good girl, Beatrix. Beatrix. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Good Beatrix. I know you're a good girl. I know, big boy, Brody. Now, Beatrix, are you gonna hear me when I say don't cross that street, girl, until I tell you, okay? You guys gotta be hearing me on that. Good girl, B. Yeah, it's a good girl, B. Beatrix, wait a minute. Just wait, girl. We gotta make sure there's no cars coming. Wait, slow the fuck down. Hey. Go. Let's go. Get in the yard. Let's go. Get in the yard, buddy. Buddy. You dumbass. Bye, dude. Just leave it open if it's open. Yeah, just leave it open. Come on. Go, go, Beatrix. Come on. Bonnie. Good. Buddy. Come on, bud. Let's go. Come on, bud. Buddy, why do you have to be contradictory? Let's go, buddy. Come on. Man, you are like... Good boy. I know. What do? You're like Dennis the Menace.